Yeah, we want to start with Alibaba, ticker symbol BABA. Stock's up about 1.5% here in the pre-market. So it's selling its gaming arm unit. It's a deal worth $1.5 billion, and it's going to help Alibaba pivot to artificial intelligence. So who's buying this gaming arm? It's an Asian private equity firm, TrustStar Capital. We don't know the price they paid, but Bloomberg reports the transaction may value that gaming studio at more than $1.5 billion. Alibaba is sort of undergoing this broader restructuring under their CEO, Eddie Wu. They're divesting their non-core assets. They're making AI, cloud computing really a top priority at the company. And this month, actually, Alibaba, you'll remember we talked about it, they released their biggest ever AI model. They claim performance on par with Anthropic. So that's huge for Alibaba as they continue to make inroads there.
Yep, very good.
Let's move over to Macy's, ticker symbol M, simply put. It is up 0.5%. So not a major mover, but I bring this up because Berkshire Hathaway has more than doubled its stake in Macy's to 7 million shares.
Really?
Why is that so important? Because Berkshire Hathaway, up until a few months ago, had not made an investment in a public department store, get this, in 60 years.
No kidding.
Yeah.
Wow.
So they bought this stake in Macy's, and they seem to be doubling down on it. Macy's, a lot of analysts are saying the company's in this recovery mode. They had a giant beat on adjusted earnings per share recently. But if you look at it just from a stock standpoint, their peak was 11 years ago. They've lost around half their value. But, you know, Berkshire Hathaway seeing some value there. Also, by the way, in their recent disclosure, Berkshire added to their stakes in Alphabet, Delta, New York Times, and Lennar, the home
New York
builder.
Times is interesting. But, you know, Macy's is up over 80% over the trailing 12 months.
Yeah,
so it's had a nice
it's
move.
been quite the past year for them. And to Snap, S-N-A-P, that's a social media company.
I thought Snap-on Tools.
No, that's another Snap. So they're set to break their win streak over the past few sessions. Stock is down about 5% pre-market. It's been an incredible month for Snap, though, up about 11%, best monthly advance since April. But it's been a tough year. The stock is down about 33%, and really it's being weighed down by a few things. There was some high-profile insider selling. They did come out with better than expected second quarter results, but I think overshadowing that is this landmark court ruling we got recently saying that these social media platforms like Snap are liable for what they put out there. They're saying that they have become addictive and deceiving to young folks.
Alexis Christophers, thank you so much.